So I just entered my studio and I see it's arrived. The new Bernina B790 Pro sewing machine. Let's get it open. I'm gonna take it out of the box and see what's inside. Okay, the top box, what is this? I'm gonna open it up and see what's inside. And what do I see? The extension table that you can use with embroidery for sewing and embroidery. Here's some thread that comes included with it. The Bernina freehand system, also called the knee lifter, that allows you to raise and lower the foot with your knee. And the Barbie box. Oh, it stores all of your feet and accessories nice and neatly on or by the machine for easy access, and a guide for sewing straight on your extension table. So cute. Okay, what's underneath? Here it is. How to use the machine, an instruction manual, warranty card, and tons of documents, reading material, a power cord, an accessory case with, oh wow, there's tons of stuff in there. Let's go over that. And we have the 8D straight stitch foot for jeans, denim, it has dual feed. Then the 2A overlock sewing foot. Then the 4D dual feed zipper foot, awesome foot, oh my goodness. 40C sideways motion foot. 1D reverse pattern foot. So many of these. 20C open toe embroidery applique foot. 5 classic blind stitch foot, a stylus, some oil, and the Bernina exclusive huge bobbins, and a straight stitch needle plate, and on the machine there will be another standard foot as well. Oh, what do we have here? And oh goodness, I'm gonna smell it. No, we're gonna look at it. There is a wonderful instructional manual inside of the box here. We'll take off the little protective foam, and here it is, the Bernina stitch regulator. There's 3 attachments included: the open toe foot, the closed toe foot, and they just easily snap on and off. You can see the laser in there, and the clear applique, I guess echo foot. Let's dive back in. And there is a dust cover also included in the box. We have the Bernina foot controller, and the cord just winds on the back very nice and neatly. It's programmable. Also the Bernina one-step buttonhole foot. And last but not least, here she is. The most beautiful machine I have ever seen in my life. Let's give her a hug, everyone. Matte black finish. We are allbrands.com, a family-owned and operated business since 1976.